how to take a screenshot of your computer. If you are also trying to take a screenshot of your screen in computer, then you have to watch this video. So after watching this entire video, you will be also able to take a screenshot of your computer screen. So without any delay, let's begin.
If you are too much clever, do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
So hello everyone, welcome to my computer screen. So how to take a screenshot of your Windows computer. So if you want to take a screenshot, then just you have to press Windows key Shift plus S. Then now you can see here it will show you this type of the snippet. Then just you have to select the path where you want to take a screenshot. So now you can see you can easily take a screenshot. And if I open MS Paint and if I paste it, so now you can see my screenshot came inside my computer. So in this way you can take a screenshot of your computer. So there are various type of the software also available which will help you to take a screenshot of your computer, but the shortcut and the easiest method was this. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas.